Now quickly, I want to go over as well the GALA project and updated price predictions, what I think, all of that. I'll be the first to eat my words if I'm wrong, because I asked you guys on YouTube and on Discord what's next for Bitcoin, 15,000 or 35,000, and you guys chimed in, and most of you, or more than half of you, all on Discord, and 56% of the 121 votes said 15,000 is next. I do not think that. I still think that $35,000 is next, and I've made the outline in the case. Briefly, we'll cover it again. I think that we are following perfectly to a T 2013 bull run, and this is basically where we're at right now, and in this moment we were just sideways. Previous live streams, I've drawn out this box and showed you guys what the range is that we were in. This would be invalidated. My thesis would be invalidated if we got body closes below 24,000. Now, as you see, we had wicks down here, but I mean body closes in this range would invalidate it. But as of now, we're just at the bottom of the range. And this was the full moon. It was not only a full moon, it was a super blue moon. This is typically the negative time frame. We're about to get across to the upside on the RSI. The longer that this goes and holds, the bigger that the floor is and the stronger that the floor is. As of now, if you just zoom out, this is still a higher lows and a continuation uptrend. If we get a new low in here below 24,700, this would invalidate itself. But as of now, we have the new moon coming on September 14th. I anticipate the local top will be sometime between the 10th and the 20th of this month. Do I think that we're going to get above this range right here? No, I don't. I think that we are going to hang out here for about another 30 days, maybe test the top, maybe test the bottom before then having this move right in here, which would be about to the 618. If you want some hopium in the market, Visa expands stablecoin settlement options on Solana. So Visa is now heavily positioning themselves to enter into the cryptocurrency market because they understand that cryptocurrency is faster and the hard transactions are much quicker. This solves the biggest problem in the banking sector, which is liquidity. Speaking of shady business practices, BlackRock and JP Morgan Chase are helping the Ukrainian government launch a recovery bank to raise hundreds of billions of dollars to rebuild Ukraine. I cannot personally think of a better business model than to support Boeing and all these other war machines, send hundreds of billions of dollars to fight a country and destroy a nation off of the backs of the taxpayers, which have no choice in the matter but to pay, and then off the backs of the taxpayers that yet again rebuild it. Bravo, bravo to BlackRock. I cannot think of a better business model. Ladies and gentlemen, this is actually what fascism is. It's not some right-leaning or left-leaning thing. No, no, no. It's when you have a corporation that involves the government and forces the people to buy its product. That is fascism. This is fascism, and some companies in 2020, I won't say their names, but you can think of who, that is also fascism. As for the markets, though, overall a pretty green day. I'm just looking for Bitcoin to hold up at the $25,000 range. As long as that holds, my thesis is still true. The second that it doesn't hold, I will come out here and I will say, hey guys, my thesis has been invalidated. Here's why. But as of right now, things are still holding and things are still looking positive. The fear and greed is getting at a very low level, the lowest that we've been since March of 20 at 35. Not financial advice, but when this thing is in fear, you should be greedy. And when this, consider being fearful. Now quickly, I want to go over as well the GALA project. So basically the founders are suing each other for 130 million. In a nutshell, that's all it is. It's a he said versus she said type thing. He's suing him, he's suing her, blah, blah, blah. Much ado about nothing. This is what happens in the depths of despair of the market. As far as the charts go, we're still above the previous low set back in December. As long as this holds right here, this is a critical level that we're getting upon. As long as it holds, this is good. And I'm seeing a lot of creators talking about that they're selling their bag, this, that, and the third. As long as this holds right here at 1.5 cents, this isn't great. It's not amazing. It's not lovely, but just a little bit of hopium for you. It's the founders suing each other. It's not the government suing them, or they've done illegal activities and now the owner is arrested. They got scammed, they got hacked. It's nothing like that. It's just bickering in between the ownership, which isn't necessarily a great thing overall. But as far as the medium-term price on the coin, as long as this holds, it's okay. Now, because there is bickering between ownership, and because you do need good leadership to really have a good project, you might not be looking to get to the parabolic levels of $2 like we had mentioned in other videos, but you might want to be looking to get out at the 0.5 of 38 cents, de-risking, maybe hold a little 20 to 30% bag all the way up to the $2 level. Obviously, none of this is financial advice, but this is what I will be doing. I will be watching, making sure that this level holds. So long as this holds, I will continue with my plan. I will de-risk a little bit at 6 cents. I would de-risk most of my bag at the 0.5 level at 38 cents. I would say 80% of my bag is going to be gone at the 38 cents range, which is still amazing, bro. Like, still is a 25x. I will be de-risking all the way up there because you guys know my philosophy. Anytime you double your money, consider taking 5% off the table. Hold a moon bag forever, and I'll hold 20% until we get to $2. That will be my strategy moving forward. Things will change if we make a new low, and I will update you guys. But as of now, this is conflict in between the ownership, not within governments and people getting hacked. It's not amazing news, but it's not as horrible as other influencers are making it sound. So this is my updated sort of view on GALA. If things change, I will let you guys know. At first, God bless. I'm out.